new house, level E. Pig did not like his old pen. He wanted a new house. Pig found a nice spot by the pond. It was just right for a new house. Pig saw sheep. I am building a new house, said Pig. Do you want to help? Yes, said Sheep. I will cut the wood. Thank you, said Pig. Pig saw Horse. Pig said, I am building a new house. Can you help me? Yes, I can, said Horse. I can build the walls. Thank you, Pig said. Pig saw Duck. I am building a new house, said Pig. Can you help me? I can help you, said Duck. I can build the roof. Thank you, Pig said. Pig saw Rabbit. I like your new house, said Rabbit. I want to paint the house, Pig said. I can help you, said Rabbit. I can paint the house. Thank you, said Pig. All the animals liked Pig's new house. The wood looks nice, said Sheep. The walls look nice, said Horse. The roof looks nice, said Duck. Rabbit said, the paint looks nice too. I built a nice new house, said Pig. We built a nice new house, said Sheep. We did all the work. Yes, you did, said Pig. So this nice new house is for all of us. Come in. And they all did.